Hi children, we are meeting again and we are continuing with our construction lessons. We have done 2 or 3 lessons on construction and we did lots of exercises and major constructions the, for do exercise on. Now, for example, perpendicular bisector, then angle bisector, then perpendicular from point outside and on the line. Those are the things that we did. Then how to draw perpendicular to the, in drawing an obtuse angle on the wrong side. How to draw the perpendicular from the point from the exterior point. So those things you have to practice so that then you'll be able to understand and you'll be able to remember. The last exercise that we did was one full exercise where we revised all the perpendicular exercises that we did. Okay, now we are continuing with the construction because as I told you before, construction is a sure question. So please practice as much as possible, and practicing you have to be very, very careful to see that you get the proper instruments. Proper instruments mean compass, then ruler and the pencil and eraser. Pencil must be very, very sharp, and you can, if it gets blunt, it's better for you to go on sharpening again. Now today what we are going to study, how to construct different types of angles. First of all, we are going to study how to construct 60 degrees, then how to construct 45 degrees, how to construct 30 degrees, and how to construct 120 degrees. Now here we can't, in construction we can't use the protractor, we have to use only the ruler, compass and pencil. So first of all, how to draw 60 degrees? It's very, very simple. What you have to do is first draw the line, and supposing you want to construct 60 degrees here, this point. The 60 degrees, as you know, will be either acute angle. So you must know exactly how it comes. Now what we do is we keep the middle point here and draw an arc like this. And with the same arc, you draw a big arc. And with the same arc, you draw one like that. How do we do it? From here, we do an arc. And with the same length, we draw an arc to cut it. Now, if you join this line, you'll notice that this is 60 degrees. That is, actually we have drawn an equilateral triangle. This side is equal to this side, equal to this side. Equilateral triangle 60. So if you want to draw another, I will say another 60 degrees on this side, what you do is we keep the middle point here and draw an arc like that. And with the same length, you draw another arc like that and join that. So this is 60 degrees. Or we want to draw 60 degrees down here, like this. So what you do is here, give the point here and draw an arc like that. And from here, cut the arc and then join this. And you must have a protractor so that you can measure these angles and make sure that you have got it right. And it must be measured up to the degree. It must be 60 degrees, should be 60 degrees, not 59 or 61 degrees. So this is how you try construct 60 degrees, children. So please remember. Now we'll learn how to draw 45 degrees. Now 45 degrees is, half of 90 degrees. Half of 90 degrees, 45 degrees. So what we do is we draw an angle of 90 degrees. We know how to draw 90 degrees. Now supposing you want to draw 45 degrees here. So what you do is we draw 90 degrees here. How to draw? We know how to draw 90 degrees from a point on the line. So these are straight line, and these are point on the line. We know how to draw 90 degrees from point on the line. We keep the middle point here, draw 2 arcs, and from here 2 arcs, and then you join that, draw that line. So that is the 90 degrees. Now how to draw 40? Bisect the 90 degrees. Now we know how to bisect an angle. We studied, I think, the second construction that we did here, how to bisect the line. What we do is, if you want to bisect this angle, from this point you draw an arc, and from here and here draw 2 arcs, and then you join this. So if you measure this angle and this angle, they will be equal. Same way, what we do is, now if you want to measure got 45 degrees, what you do is from here you draw an arc like this. And from these two places, draw two arcs like that, and here draw another arc. So after that, join this. When you join that, you'll get line, and these two angles are equal. If you measure them from the protractor, you'll notice that this is 45, this is 45. Now, if you want to draw an angle like this, right angle there, and if you want to draw 45 degrees here, what you do is again from this point draw like that, and from here and here draw two arcs and then join that. Or anyway, you must practice in so many ways. You draw like that here, and you draw two arcs and here, join nothing. So you must go on practicing, then only you will be able to remember. So this is how to draw 45 degrees. Then next we have 30 degrees. 30 degrees is half of 60. Now just now we studied how to draw 60 degrees. That is how to draw 60 degrees, but you draw a line, then with the compass draw an arc, and with the same amount draw this arc, same measurement, and then you join this. So this will be 60 degrees. Now half of 60 is 30. So what we should do is, we should bisect this angle. How to bisect this angle? We know how to bisect. Now we already we have an arc here. From these 2 points, draw two arcs like this and join like that. So this is 30 and this is also 30. Same way, if you want to draw a line like this, you have to draw 30 degrees here. What you do is, we draw 60 degrees here. From here draw an arc like this, and from here cut off that one. Then you get the 60 degrees. Now once you get the 60 degrees, bisect this one, how? Like this and like this, and then join that. So this is 30, this is also 30. So everything depends on practice, children. So practice each and every subtraction that we did. Okay, we go next one. 120 degrees. How to draw 120 degrees? Same way. It's a big angle, so it's not nothing to get worried about. 120 degrees as easy as anything. So what you do is, now we draw the line. We have to draw 120 obtuse angle. So 120 degrees will come like this. So what we do is, we take a measurement from the compass and draw a big arc like this. And after that, with the same length, cut off here, like how we do for 60 degrees. For 60 degrees, we cut off from here. Then again cut off here with the same length twice. Now how do you do it? First we draw the line. Then take any measurement and draw an arc. And from here, cut off that one. Again from here, you cut off this one. Then you get two. So this is 60 degrees. These are 60 degrees. So this angle is 120 degrees. So you can, if you have a protractor, you can measure this angle and see. How do you draw this? First of all, you draw this line. Then you, with a compass, give the middle point here, draw a big arc. Then from here, with the same length, cut off here. And with the same length here, cut off this. Then join this. You will measure, this will be 100 degrees. It all, accuracy depends everything on the pencil that you use and the lines that you pencil, the sharp pencil, and how you take accurate measurements. So that will make it accurate for you. So these are for today, children. I hope you have liked the lesson. Please subscribe if you liked it.